Abuja for anti yasenya me papa ba ko bi wo menchen enti ono se ne e betwetwe nkomo ne age na dwenkyere aja mpache mo akwaba
You what is it? Yenua.
Ti pache friend say
Your friend Alaji Sedu.
okay pache na oton den waboso kan
Me ton pass waboso kan, me ton car pass waboso kan, especially Hyundai cars, Kia cars pass na me ton.
Okay. Pache last week and then na otwe pepepe ena ye man panyini Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo or the State of the Nation address sona twa ne tia waka no or the two dwa me pache otie bi de
Oh, mitie bibri, especially baby mitie no or can about the way you know come boom na yem peja Ghana. Na secondly so yeah, how do you call it? Yeah, minority no. Ade high Ghana for and yeah MPP for yeah Ghana for higher. Whenever we come to Sona, all the parties.
yes okay
But omo yi omo fi hu si omo ntena ho ana omo so rekoye na ade ezo ye me ya ne say Rollins wo ho omo former president wo ho ne yiri wo ho ana former president John Ejikun wo ho ana former president ne yiri Atamis ne yiri na do mes. This is the first time obeba such occasion wo ho ana they didn't respect her. Those people, even someone respecting another crowd, respecting those people, your former. And almost sorry call it. And the Bombay say do see election as well. They shouldn't take part. Yeah, Ghana for a election. The NDC shouldn't take part.
Ebi kan sa asem say boycott. Almost say enye some boycott ye. Name mo no say amo excuse ye. Enti asema wo kan ene de omo so kan na say enhye da mo ebura ka papa
wonim say NDC so e boni a or excuses bebre a omo kan ba say MPP ye boni a ombega say MPP ye boni enye boycott they intentionally and I am happy that whenever you reach election 2020 they should still boycott it. We like it like that.
We dey asem we modro we dey yansane emra form yemra ase ho eye form ho na yemisa questions bi me pa che so na numu no amapanyin e kan ensem bebre na mu ba ko so ekofa free SHS ni ade na mama mfa won sha self free SHS me pa che e ba ye aboa
if NDC for bebre o mu ka say aboa o mu enye MPP for o NDC for o mu benefit from free education no o mu si aboa o mu and there's no answer for this.
Ebi say aye say doom so aye say on and off ebi ko na ebi aba green and red
on say ye woni pa bi wo ho aso obi ye papa omo twe no okay wo a wo tena woni be free education say ye because free education dey ho a wo ma wie school dey say wo ma 3 a if no ba gonya 4,000 ade admit wo mo
say ebi say fine free education but then extra classes now homogeno it's much more than he say okako tuya fees crampo. That's what some people are saying. Now you saying
oh extra classes no mo koye so utuya more than 100 Ghana kura the child is benefiting. So year you don't know what they are teaching the others of course it will benefit him. So what is this?
Government is doing roads ogusu oye kwan ni ade what witness be
ade mekan say Ghanaians bebre ebinubu ho they don't travel. Upa so hu ade na na do weekends would they make sure that you go out of the country and in would they come
okay say out of the country say be Togo and say
Hefa Togo in the excuse me to say within Accra and within Ghana. Okay, because the first thing I say, borehole now, and this focus a dug out, you know. Those people over there, they are benefiting it. They said it's good for them. So, who call something like Mikrom say, who call say, railway in Faho. So, and it's a railway way start here. Mikrom within 10 minutes, never do Mikrom. And the way a big achievement, a big thing now. And the only thing is that another year idea now who opposition si 1 year. Edu su abeye
NHIS health insurance card si say o phone so pre na eko aboapa ana say
100%. Si say akwa me life kura me to ye friend say me phone so enya afi na me ka say me ko na makoto si akakaka na mato enye Who enye.
Let's say be easy.
Very, very easy. Very, very easy. And ye hear more na Bawumia over the modern digital no on Vambra.
Enti dum so ejai ananse ekonkon ho.
Oh, dum so. Ye wo dum so. The for ho during mama time no. The generator wo ho. Since na ba no, yan so generator. And the me see your generator since mama na ba no. Me so generator no.
Fu okra nim.
Me see fu anu kura wo mu kura ayira. Ba mama time no generator peja. So, and who weigh the two are. Nana is more better than we have friends a mama. You need to do some. What if say there will be a time maybe omu ye maintenance be. So here this part will go off. If you know more, they didn't understand because hey they started to do so. Bisani omu ka say started them so no omu baby call off and they call for more than 2 days and just some hours.
Papa me ka fili anu agem so ga fili gadoke. Fili
Ga fili gadoke.
Na say nia wo susu hu nia wo fuaso nia wo dwen no nia wo fo say ye no eno no wa kirem no. Enti fili o kana se nia tie na mebo a. Enti ga fili gadoke. Fili
Ga fili gadoke.
me pa cho security system ye wure mu kakra. Sisi a mampanyin se security no oba eboa police for na mo dwuma ne timi edimu pa. Me pa cho se ebeboa na se o hwa emmoa papa.
Security your friend is police for no. We the citizens have to help the police. Stranger bit to be bow area. If you look at the activities of him, who monitor the movement, the only thing is that if you can confront him, go to the police. There's a stranger over here. Their activities I don't like it. I want you people to monitor him. Police, that's what they like. We should provide them with quality information. But say what na hono say Nigeria ni bi wo onu de mumuda o but onu onda. Now say the activities it doesn't go on well. Now you just keep quiet. Na be busy. It's up to you. But under this regime no security system no e good ankasa. E good and
the me pa cho mbisa na the year of return. Yes, I bank of us I didn't buy.
The year of return are benefit Ghanaians, Papa.
Oh, yeah, more is the year of return. Aha, what's Abuapa? It's a Mokosumra.
Bebre, especially hotel for Abuamu, art center for Abuamu. Excuse me to say, because say Abuadi whole Ghanaians.
And yes, sir. Okay, my business say. Unya faswa efi year of return and I say hotels for near the other bomb
because if madam will be so and I benefit from it.
And I say a Sankophone buy and son coronavirus ya bachane eba.
Oh, so when we say we scrutinize them at airport and to Ubane who say coronavirus they know the place where they will quarantine you. And it's Omumbra. Whenever you are having it, we know the place where the quarantine and then
coronavirus the effect be abba a so.
Oh, someone can summon him. When he said the head of a market near China, and as a China break it down for 1 month, it will affect the whole world.
So, I was for Philly Gadoki, and your Guswa and a yake. I that your sponsors I say, some with me a Buana Philly me echo and him. I have Vida Makes Foods Limited, more Ablekuma, I agape. Down a ho and a moshe yadamase papa se motimi aso yasem afia 1 2 3 odi Hong Kong MTTD a ho na owo oni amaso efe papa afia 1 2 3 yadamase Lydia's Fashion UTC opposite honoma Fidelity Bank ni nchemo e ho na mosomobo montade de efo hey ko na kope bi etosisia for weddings for engagement for funerals whatever kwana kope bisisia Just Rock Ventures more Minaba store shop number 3738 mo de moto emma ene emema nyina empaboa open paboa ye Santiago se de ende o se Balenciaga o se de ede na open Converse na ko na obenya bi ewo honom na Kisu Jewelries mosumo Hong Kong MTTD empatemo honom mo ne maso efe chain open na beto nsa se na be hye wasum ade ne ope na be hye wuti bibia jewelries there na Kisu Moniama efe near da se near da Sandra store mo so mo menaba ehon mo shop number 12 mo se da masepapa enti se won so apese oba na be so filifili ase no ya number no e na ebobo e wa ase no ana se me be sore so a mebobo na me de ama mpo betima gene sisi aye 0204933944 0204933944 ese me pop it on the screen obetima fa no etimi e follow yen ana se 0554146774 obetima fa number we no follow filifili na dwumedie ayekra behwe eya mpatwe ne ka coronavirus ho nsem me pacho o say aha because moji enema no efi China e na edeba me pacho sisi amuntimi ko China biom.
Oh, since the coronavirus, even China, they don't allow them to come out. Sons and identity, and they will not allow you to go.
Okay.
Because who are very dangerous, who's ambassador very, very dangerous.
It's a more bad pacho. Say I am offer enough stock. And ye some of that so near man say moon in yama.
Oh, you were near my you were near my Becca said this time, look, a month for baby Swishy Corn Nigeria. And I don't think say coronavirus no wo niam mu I don't think it will before I do Nigeria no it will come down. Okay. And I don't think Ghanaians will experience that.
And the pacho so na ni nyina no me pacho say we president anka den anka de be kan and den anka unka be ye free mu.
Semi president oh oh ade me de be kan one de ene de is wo mi ankasa me ho. And when them say President Nankasa, he didn't finish delivering his messages, the Sonano. And baby wa or yet on VA. And so one year, how can you add another one? Sons and another Ghana population to is broadening. People are coming in. Sons and identity. And Nisona Oma and 100% okay.
What time cheaper?
Bitana 100 more than 100%.
Bepa 20 kan wa sema etwatwa kwa krama me na bua aye ne kan
asema meka ne say eye me de say minority for no oma work out na be ye me de say ye be ye election no they shouldn't take part enu na be ye me de no.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Your name once again?
Alaji Sidu.
Much.